let's see how it would go. So, I pretty much have what I need here. I just added in the theta for fun, So theta just changes what the eigenvalues are. So positive theta and minus theta now. And so to evaluate this, I'm just going to use this definition. This is going to be defined as being applied to the eigenvalues. The eigenvectors don't change. So I would just do e to the theta. That's the first eigenvalue. Eigenvectors don't change. Minus, plus e to the minus theta. Eigenvectors don't change. Of course, this you could rewrite as a matrix, and you should know how to do that. This would still be the 2 by 2 matrix, e to the theta, e to the minus theta. So in the case that the matrix is diagonal, you can just apply the function to the diagonal entries. But that's not always the case. We first would have to diagonalize the matrix.